All right, how you guys doing out there? Hope you guys are doing well. I've got a product review for you today from a company called Rugged Geek, and it is a jump starter, portable battery, and also air compressor combo kit that I've been using on my motorcycle for a little over a year, and also I've had one in my vehicle. It's a really cool product. I think you guys really like, really useful for the motorcycling community. And I've got a discount code for 20% off on their website. Website is ruggedgeek.com, and the discount code is ADVMoto. So if you use ADVMoto at checkout, you'll get 20% off any products you buy. So let me turn around and show you how this thing works. All right, well, this is the box that it comes in. Depending on what the kit you get, I think they all come in this box. It's called an RG1000. It'll jump up to a 7-liter gas engine or a 3.5 liter diesel, and they do have bigger batteries in this that'll go, jump bigger engines than that. That's just the one that I got and I've been using for motorcycling primarily. You can see kind of different vehicles that it can jump. Really like their packaging. I like their logo and their design of their product. It'll jump. It's got an LED that shows you what's going on. It's also got a charging port for laptop. It's got 2 USB charging ports. It kind of tells you, details here. You can see the jumper cables. I won't go over everything. That's kind of the box. I also got this case, so I carry. I have this is how I carry it on my motorcycle. That they also sell this carrying case. You can buy it in a kit as well. And then I'm just able to put my jumper cables right up here. I'll show you that in a minute. This is the battery itself. Okay, so it's called IntelliBoost RG1000. It's got this LED screen right here. Should I turn it on? Hit this button, it'll come on and tell you, how much battery you have. And then you've got here this laptop plug and the 2 different USB plugs. And then here, this is the input to charge it. And so it's really easy to charge, charges up really quick. It's also got a light here, which I've used quite a bit camping. It's really bright, or if you just need some light in your garage, that works well. This is the port here that you plug into. The jumper cables plug into these to jump start your car, or your motorcycle in my case. So anyway, it's a cool design. It's got kind of this tread pattern on it, which I thought was cool when I saw it. And it's pretty small, kind of like iPhone size. Like if you have the larger iPhone or a bigger Android phone, it's kind of the size of that, just kind of a little thicker. And I had to go get it back from my daughter because she's been using it to charge her iPad. And so I had to go find it and track it down. She'd been using it in the house. And they have a bunch of different kind of connectors. This one goes to a SAE connector, which a lot of motorcycle guys use. This plugs, you can see these plug in right here, these connectors. And then also, so I have that one because I use this cigarette lighter a lot, this 3-way that I can plug in, and I can do it that way. Or they also sell this type of cigarette plug that goes in directly. Or of course, you could just use the USB plugs. Also, it comes with this bag. You can see mine's kind of been used. You can put things into. And then finally, the air compressor, which I'll show you how this works in a minute. But you can see this is smaller actually than one that I had been carrying prior to getting this device. I had a bigger one that took up more space. You can see this plug, which will be the same kind of connector to plug into this battery pack. So anyway, I want to go out and kind of show you guys how it works. I want to show you one other thing too. They have different types of jumper cables. See, this is a bigger one, has more capacity. That I've been having this one in my car. I've kept this one in my car, and then this is the connector that they have that comes with it to charge it. Just to charge this thing back up. And so I've had this one on my car. I've had this smaller one just on my motorcycle to jump my motorcycle if needed, and which is great because if I'm solo and my battery, I wake up in the morning, which I've had happen, and battery's completely dead, and you're on a big BMW, and it's 600 pounds plus with all the gear. Could be pretty hard to push start, so this could definitely would come in handy. Okay, so this is one application, pretty basic of how I use it, but I've used it a lot, even just like if the family goes somewhere and we need to charge when we're on the move, like at an amusement park or somewhere. So you basically just turn it on, flip this on, and obviously it starts charging right away. So, and then it'll tell you and keep you updated on how much battery it has left. So pretty simple, but I like using that a lot, like in my tent when I go camping. If I camp off the bike, which I do a lot, I can just charge my watch and also my phone. The air compressor hooked up to my bike. It's got a nice little light on the end of it you can use if it's dark. That just comes on, and then you just turn it on here, and then I'm plugged in right at the top where the jumper also plugs in there, and other types of connectors, and then you just flip it on. Okay, there, just took me about a minute, and I went up almost 10 pounds. So pretty quick. And it doesn't really show, it used 1%. So there you go. That's how the compressor works. Pretty small, compact, and works great. All right, I'm going to show you how this can jumpstart using this mower, which I keep stored in my trailer, and it's been in there all winter, and so it's usually dead when I pull it out, the battery, until I get it charged up again on the trickle charger. And I just took it out the other day, and it's been sitting here, and I used it to jump this mower. And it's pretty chilly in Utah today. It's 35 degrees. It was this morning. So I just brought it out here. Easy to do. I don't have to run any kind of cable out here, any cord, and get out my starter and everything. So I flip this on. Okay, turn it on and go over to the old mower. Final test is the flashlight. We just hold this down, and there you go. Flipped on, and nice and bright. Works really good. See how bright it is. All right, I hope you guys like that. It's a cool product. It's one I've been looking forward to doing a review for quite some time. I've been using it for a long time, and I've given it away as gifts. Actually, a few of them I've given away. And so if you guys want to pick one up, I've got a 20% off discount code on their website, as I mentioned, ruggedgeek.com, and use the discount code ADVMoto at checkout for 20% off any product you buy on their website. So be safe out there, happy trails, and we'll see you next time.